If you're planning to catch a flick this weekend, you can get a unique international film experience right here in Queens. Queens World Film Festival.
Queens World Film Festival.
True stories.
We're having a great time. It's a fabulous event. I'm Katha Cato, the Executive Director of the Queens World Film Festival, here to tell you what's new this year. We have incredible films from around the world and around the corner. These films are breathtakingly moving, action-packed, hysterical, beautiful works of art that we can't wait to share with all of you.
Whoa, what are you doing?
Whoa. Seriously, go!
No, I'm not getting involved with it.
You're already involved. Go!
But there's not a soul that hasn't felt lost.
Can the baby be saved is the big question. It's going to take a massive effort.
I think it was all part of this little, she's just this feisty little bulldog that you keep, kicking away. And so I think that kind of tenacious, even though she's quite thin and kind of gawky in her manner, and it's just part of the attitude. I think the walk came out of the attitude.
When I see this photo, it reminds me of Nat Turner or someone like from the slavery days running for their freedom.
Black films, or what that is, films they call black films, were never shown first run. So why is that? It's because a black film has never made money. Well, how would you know? You never made a black film. You made white fantasies of what you hope black people would take.
So when we seen that projected on the screen, all it did was help to empower us even more. Yeah, this has finally got it right.
The letter A.
A number was seen to all of us every day.
1.
She had a Band-Aid on it.
Never knew the number. I just know there was an A in front of numbers.
4.
I don't remember anything about it, and I wish I did.
9.
It's a recognition of something I've never acknowledged.
7.
He's not the type of person that would have a tattoo, so for him to do it shows how much it means to him.
Well, everybody does something.
No, not me.
You're killing me, Clark. At least pretend to be interesting. Don't worry about
No,
it.
Rach,
No big
wait.
deal.
I can't read.
Whatever you believe, that's the magic.
It's for a while now. Our shifts change after next week.
Stay here. I got this.
Are you ready?
I just want to be admired.
Where's your wife? Where's Chloe?
So we started giving cameras to a few of the families.
My mom didn't want me to marry you.
Gigi, I love you, and that's who I am.
Paris, Rio. Buy ranch in Bolivia, raise chinchillas,
Chinchillas.